Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. We are kicking off the bonus pockets of Christmas, which are a part of the 100 days of pockets for your junk journals. And this pocket is actually bonus pocket 101 in the booklet if you got the booklet. And it is the Envelope Booklet Flip. Basically, these envelopes would be adhered together, and you're going to create them into a folio type that you can add to your junk journal if you want to, or make it something special that you can give maybe Happy Mail or to a friend. So you would need 2 to 3 envelopes. It's just up to you what you would like. I've got 3 set aside here. These were given to me from my friend Aline in Colorado. You need your patterned paper, your glue stick or double-sided tape, your scissors, paper trimmer, and whatever embellishments you want. And because we are doing the bonus pockets of Christmas, these are going to be all Christmas related. All right, I do have 3 pockets here, but if you weren't quite that excited to do 3, you could do 2. So what I'm going to do though is I'm going to add some inking to these and maybe stencil, and then we're going to come back and put it all together. I had a little time playing and it was so fun. So I did use some Bordeaux and some pine tree and my vintage photo. I used some walnut stain spray with my stencil that is a musical score. Thought that would be kind of fun. And then so some of the sides are not the same, but it's okay because you know we're going to cover some of them up. So take your envelopes, and what you're going to do is where the flap is, that is what you're going to glue to the other envelope. So let's get our glue, and you're going to put glue on the flap only up to the fold, and this envelope that is in front of it will lay down on that fold, and that is where it will adhere. Okay, just like that. So if you have 3 like I do, you're going to line them up, and you do want your envelopes to be pretty close to the same unless you want a tiered effect, and you can do that as also. All right, so got this one all the way to the fold. I'm going to lay my envelope here, and I like to do this just to make sure I get it in the right place. Okay, so then you're going to have your accordion fold, or you can fold it like this, or you can fold it however you want. Now this one I'm going to seal and then cut it open because I want an extra pocket here. So I'm going to cut that open, just a little slit here. I use Simon Hurley Solar Spray, Crocodile Tears, and Golden Hours, which is my favorite. On this side of the envelope you can see that that is that green pearlescent shimmer. And then on this side you can see the gold. I don't know if you can see it as well, but all right. So now all you want to do is embellish and add pockets. So you have a couple of natural pockets here. We're going to have a pocket here. So for this one, I'm going to take some, for the front, I'm going to take some paper. This is decorative paper that I have, and it's from my rustic North Pole workshop. And I am covering up some of my ink work, but that's okay. And then we're going to put something real pretty here. So then we can open it up. And if you like this, that's pretty cool. If you don't, then you can just cover up what you don't like, you know, however you want to embellish. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one, this plaid paper, and put it here. So I'm going to take this one and put it here so it's opposite of this flap. And I am going to make these belly bands instead of like tuck spots. So I'm just going to glue it over that little where the flap comes together. Bonus pocket of Christmas, number 1. So basically tying a ribbon around, embellished. This is a pocket also. Then open it up. You've got pockets here and here. Got a little tiny pocket there. This is a belly band. This is a belly band also, but this is not a pocket. I didn't make that a pocket. Then on the back, there are pockets, and you can slide in large tags or bookmarks and whatever you'd like. And you can fold it how you want to. If you want to fold it that way, if you want to fold it accordion style, however you want to. So I hope you enjoyed this bonus pocket of Christmas, and I hope you have a great day.